Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to create rewards for points redemption inside of AiTrillion. Rewards are those benefits that your customers would use in exchange for their hard-earned loyalty points on your website. To create rewards, all you have to do is log into AiTrillion and in the left-hand side navigation bar, go to Loyalty Rewards, then to Rewards, and then create New Reward. In the Create New Reward option box, you can choose what kind of a reward you want to create, whether you want to give a money off, a percentage discount, free shipping, free product voucher, a product discount voucher, or you want to create a cart widget point settings. Now, in this example, I am going to create, let's say, a percentage discount. So I'll click to create. And then you have this panel that pops up on your right hand side that allows you to create a percentage discount rule. So I'm going to say I want to offer a discount of 8% in exchange for a customer who gives me, let's say, 128 points, and where you can dictate a minimum cart value. I would say where the minimum cart value is, let's say, $100. The reward heading can be modified. Do not modify this bit in the curly brackets. This is the shortcode that is bringing in data from elsewhere. Again, you can modify the heading's bottom statement, but do not modify the shortcodes or the data in curly brackets, and the same for heading's bottom substatement. You can modify this bit of text, but not the one in the curly brackets. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on Save, and this reward will be available for redemption by a customer. If you want to see where this reward exactly is, you can go to the View Rewards section, and in the View Rewards, you'll have all of the rewards that have been created, including the 8% discount that I just created. You can create multiple rewards, multiple options, depending on your website and the benefits that you want to offer your customer. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.